Hey guys, today let's learn how we can get free stuff from AliExpress. So there are many ways that you can get free stuff. The first one is catching an early deal. As you can see, once you're logged into your homepage, you will see some deals coming up. That is Dollar Express. And if another date is going on, like 11/11 sale, you will not directly get all the items for free, but you will get so much discount that the item will be as good as free. Now, second is referring to new app users. If you select your account and in the middle section, swiping to your left, you will see Share and Earn. First of all, you have to join it. So the first step is sign up for Share and Earn. Second is send your links to friend. And by that, you can earn up to 15% commission reward when anyone buys from your link. And thirdly, you have to earn it by getting rewards from orders they place. And likewise, this is not getting exactly the free item that you wished for, but it will earn you enough credits that you can buy something for free.